Hi guys, it's Dimi again from Sony UK digital imaging team. I hope you're well and safe. I've been asked so many times which is the best compact aps-c camera from Sony, how to choose the right one, because there's so many and it's confusing. In the video for today I will try to give you the best answer, describing the main differences between the cameras in very short and simple way without confusing you even more. For the purpose of this video, I will compare 4 of the most popular aps-c cameras from Sony: Alpha 6000, Alpha 6100, Alpha 6400 and Alpha 6600. Let's start with Alpha 6000. Released back in April 2014, Alpha 6000 is a 6 years old little beast, proven camera on the market and preferred product by many beginner photographers. It's small but mighty camera with 24 megapixel aps-c CMOS sensor and RAW format shooting for high quality crisp images. The speed of performance is incredible as well. Just 0.06 seconds autofocusing speed using 179 phase focusing points across the sensor and 11 frames per second in burst mode, turning it into a very fast entry-level aps-c camera. With Alpha 6000 you can enjoy shooting Full HD videos with maximum speed of 60 frames per second and quality suitable for any of your needs. The camera comes with electronic viewfinder with active live mode, with histogram and horizon level features and preview mode as well. Camera suitable for you on a budget friendly price. As you can see, Alpha 6000 it's a great camera for stills and video performing, unfortunately using 6 years old technology. Still on the market, still does the job, but if you want slightly more advanced and more professional and modern product in your hands, I can strongly recommend Alpha 6100. Released back in 2019, Alpha 6100 is the camera bringing on the market the latest Sony innovations based on speed and artificial intelligence. Yes, I know, sounds like a sci-fi movie, but believe me, it's not so complicated, and let's get into some details. Released in October 2019, Alpha 6100 comes with similar build and quality of the body and similar sensor resolution of 24 megapixels, but with way more improvements over Alpha 6000. The flip-up 180 degrees touchscreen and the microphone input are probably the most visible improvements in the design and ergonomics of the camera. Even faster autofocusing performance, just 0.02 seconds focusing time, 11 frames per second in burst mode and much more focusing points, 425 phase and contrast focusing points. Silent shooting for your stills, suitable for so many occasions like wildlife photography for example. And here comes the time to mention about the most revolutionary improvement in Alpha 6100. This is the new intelligent autofocusing system based on the technology of the most advanced Sony camera, Alpha 9. The new real-time human eye tracking focusing, based on improved focusing algorithm, high-speed processor and all 425 phase focusing points. It's incredible feature for such a small camera. You can also use the new real-time animal eye tracking function for incredible results with your most loved pets. The video performance of Alpha 6100 is way improved compared to Alpha 6000. You can shoot in 4K, even using the real-time tracking for moving objects. Unfortunately, there isn't any picture profiles available and suitable for color grading, but let's not forget this is an entry-level camera. As you can see, both cameras, Alpha 6000 and Alpha 6100, are entry-level products, but with significant technology differences. Don't forget, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, there is a 6 years technology gap between both products. For the next two cameras of my demo video, I'm not planning to get into many details, but just to point the specific key differences and technology upgrades and all the benefits you can get as a user. Let's start with Alpha 6400. Alpha 6400 is probably the first aps-c camera released by Sony in February 2019 and focused mainly on more experienced videographers but still working on a budget. Using similar technology like Alpha 6100, Alpha 6400 makes a significant jump technology-wise. The camera is with magnesium alloy body and is using a way more improved resolution-wise electronic viewfinder. 2.3 megapixels, it's quite a lot compared to 6100. Alpha 6400 shoots 4K HDR videos with available picture profiles and the latest hyperlock gamma profile for proper and correct color grading. The biggest jump technology-wise here is the video timing limit, which doesn't exist. With Alpha 6400 you can shoot unlimited time of video recording, suitable for so many YouTubers and video bloggers. The low light sensitivity of the camera is improved as well. You can enjoy shooting your stills or videos with maximum ISO of 102,000, double compared to Alpha 6100. Let's jump onto 6600 because all the improvements and technology innovations are outstanding and completely different to anything what I mentioned so far. Alpha 6600 is with slightly bigger and heavier body compared to 6100 and 6400. The main reason for that is because the camera comes with the new FZ100 full frame battery, which allows you to shoot with longer time for video recording and up to 810 shots with one charge of the battery, which is significant improvement of the battery life of aps-c cameras. Another significant improvement here is that Alpha 6600 comes with 5-axis image stabilized body for better results in your stills and video recording. Another feature is that you can use not only the microphone input, but Alpha 6600 comes with headphone output jack. The video performance of the camera is outstanding. 4K HDR videos with picture profiles with the latest hyperlock gamma as well. With Alpha 6600 you can use real-time human eye tracking focusing in video recording. Yes, it's real and it's outstanding. The results are incredible. Just to mention, for the purpose of this video, I'm using Alpha 6600 at the moment, and I can say the results of autofocusing are incredible, even for a person like me wearing glasses in front of the camera. The human eye tracking focusing is absolutely spot on. All these features and functions of the camera are turning this little product into desired camera for many experienced video bloggers, videographers, or small production companies working on the budget, because the price of the camera is way lower than any other pro consumer level product on the market. At the end of this video, I would like to divide these 4 cameras in 4 different groups of products based on a different purpose of use. Let's start with Alpha 6000. If you are beginner photographer who wants to swap his camera phone for a camera for better results in stills and video recording, I can strongly recommend Alpha 6000. Absolutely suitable for any beginner photographer or the perfect family camera for you. If you want an entry-level camera but with way more improvement technology-wise for better video recording, stills, I can strongly recommend 6100 budget camera with a small compact size body. And here comes the time to mention a few words about the big boys in a small compact aps-c range of Sony cameras. If you are, let's say, experienced videographer who wants to break the limits and to use his camera for mainly video purposes, I can strongly recommend Alpha 6400. You can enjoy recording in 4K HDR and using picture profiles without any time limits in your video recording. Better low light performance and really stable performance of the camera. If you are experienced pro videographer or a small production company and you're looking for more advanced pro consumer level camera but on a budget price, I will recommend 6600. Small, compact camera with all the features you need for the perfect video recording. 5-axis image stabilized body, increased low light performance, human eye tracking during video recording, and amazing crisp, sharp 4K HDR videos. If you want to get the latest deals and Sony offers, you just need to visit the website of our friends and partners, Jessops. Don't wait, just visit the website and grab the product you want to use during these such a difficult times of self-isolation. I'm Dimi and I hope this video was not really confusing for you, and I'll be more than happy if I manage to give you the main differences between the 4 most popular aps-c Sony cameras on the market. See you soon!